In the previous class, we have learned the new concept regression, and also we have see that the equations are two equations of the regressions are given as y minus y bar equals to byx into x minus x bar. This is the regression equation of y on x, and another equation is x minus x bar equals to bxy. This is bxy into y minus y bar. This is the regression equation of x on y, right? Now, and byx equals to r into sigma y by sigma x, and if we put the formula for r, we will get covariance of xy divided by sigma x square, and also bxy equals to r into sigma x by sigma y, which is also reduces to sigma y square. Now, if we take the formula for calculative formula from the data, if we use the formula, then we will get covariance of xi equals to 1 by n summation xi yi minus x bar y bar multiple, and sigma x square. That means there will be no root, so only formula is 1 by n summation xi square minus x bar whole square, right? And formula for bxy, calculating bxy, is 1 by n summation xi yi minus x bar y bar divided by 1 by n summation yi square minus y bar whole square. Okay, so these are the formula. So if we have an example, if we get an example where the certain data of x and y are given, then we have to find the equation, two regression equation. That's when we will use this formula to calculate the two regression equation. Now, let's see an example. So, two data, two variables are given, x and y, as first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also y is given as 2, 4, 7, 6, 5, 6, 5. Okay. Now we have to find the two regression equations from the given data. We see that we have to find x bar y bar and xi yi, right? Multiple of xi yi and y bar square, summation of yi square and summation xi square. So all from the data we have to find all the summation in the following form. Okay, first we have to calculate x bar y bar. To calculate x bar y bar, we have to find the sum of x and sum of y. The sum of x will be, this will be 28 and this will be 35. So we will calculate x bar and y bar. This is x bar equals to 28 divided by number of data 7, so 28 by 7 equals to 4, and y bar equals to 35 by 7, which is 5. Now we can see that these are the whole number, so you can use the deviation. The deviations are capital X equals to x minus x bar and capital Y equals to y minus y bar. Okay, so x minus x bar sum is 4, x bar equals to 4, so 1 minus 4 minus 3, 2 minus 4 minus 1, minus 2, 3 minus 4 minus 1, this will be 0, this will be 1, these 2, 3. Now y bar equals to 5, so 2 minus 5 is minus 3, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 5 1, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 5 1, 5 minus 5 0. Okay, as the deviation is taken under x bar and y bar, mean, then the sum of capital X will be 0 and sum of capital Y will be 0. Okay, now we have to calculate capital X into capital Y, which is xy. Xy means multiple of these two. Okay, so multiple of these two, minus 3 into minus 3, 9, minus 2 into minus 1, 2, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 0, this is 0, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 0. Okay, capital X square, that means the square of these values. First 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, and capital Y square. Capital Y square is 9, 1, 4, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so after summing up the numbers, we will get summation xy equals to 11, summation x square equals to 28, and summation y square equals to 16. Okay, so we have all the data we need to find the two regression equation. So to find the regression equation of y on x, we need x bar y bar, which we have already find it. And next we have to find byx. Okay, and for x bar x minus x bar equation x on y, we have to find bxy. Okay, so we have to find first byx and bxy. Now byx, the calculative formula is 1 by n. As we take the deviation, so formula will be in the deviation form, xy minus x bar y bar divided by 1 by n summation x square minus x bar whole square. To by is calculating. Now as we get summation x equals to 0, capital X bar will be 0, and summation y equals to 0, capital Y bar equals to 0. So these are the zeros. So we get 1 by n summation xy mean capital X bar will be 0 and capital Y bar will be 0. Summation xy mean xy 11. 1 by n, that means 1 by 7 into 11 minus 0 divided by 1 by 7 into summation x square, which is 28 minus 0. Okay, now calculating these two, we will get byx equals to 11 by 1 by 7 will be cancelled out, we will get 11 by 28. Okay, which using the calculator you can find that 0.39 approx. Okay, and also bxy equals to 1 by n summation xy. The upper part will be same and lower part will be 1 by n summation y square minus y bar whole square. That will be 1 by 7 into summation xy means 11 divided by 1 by minus 0 with 1 by 7 into summation y square, which is 16 minus 0. So we will get 1 by 7 cancelled out, 11 by 16, which is approximated to 0.69 approx. Okay, so we get byx equals to 0.39, bxy equals to 0.69. Okay, now we can find the two regression equation as of. So the regression equation of y on x is y minus y bar equals to byx into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar mean we get 5, right? And byx we get 0.39 into x minus x bar is 4. Okay, so as this is the equation of y on x, we will use the formula as of the form y equals to 0.39 into x minus 4 plus 5. Okay, we'll write the equation in this form: y equals to, okay, as here x is independent, y is dependent, so y equals to independent form of x. So after expanding, we will get 0.39 into x minus 4 into 0.39, which is minus 1.56. Use the calculator, you can find this value 1.56 and plus 5. Okay, using this 5 minus 1.56 is 0.39 into x plus 3.44. So required equation is y equals to 0.39x plus 3.44. Okay, so this is the equation of y on x. Also the regression equation of x on y, which is the equation is x minus x bar equals to bxy into y minus y bar. So putting the values, x bar equals to 4, bxy is 0.69 into y minus y bar equals to 5. As the regression equation is x on y, so we will write the equation in the form of x equals to 0.69 into y minus 5 plus 4. Okay, so 0.69 into y minus 5 into 0.69 is minus 3.45 plus 4. Okay, plus 4 equals to 0.69 into y, 4 minus 3.45, which is plus 0.55. So record equation of x on y is x equals to 0.69 y plus 0.55. So these are the two regression equation of the given data. So this is how we can find the regression equations of two regression equations from the following data. Okay, so I will give an example for you to solve in the material and see this process, and using the same way, how to calculate same way, you can find the two regression equations. Now always remember, whenever x bar and y bar are a whole number, always use the deviation, so that the calculation is always will be easy. Otherwise the calculation may be very large number will be happen, and to calculate this there will be some error can be occur. Okay, so always takes the deviation, then you can see that there will be many zeros, and to calculate x and x square y square it will be very small numbers. Okay, so there will be less error can occur. Okay.